Hello everyone. So welcome back to Cloud Institution again. So in this as part of this video, this is kind of a Linux interview question series video. Okay. So you're going to see another very interesting and very important interview questions. This can be asked during the interview. Okay. This also can be used, to improve your Linux skills, right? So how to execute the command from the history? Okay. So for example, I have a list of history commands. Okay. I wanted to execute some of the the commands from the history without being copied the particular command. Okay. So how to execute that? So if you can go back and answer the answer, let's check the answer. The answer is okay. We need to give this exclamatory mark and then the history number. All right. Okay. Let's go and see that how it's being worked. Okay. I'm going to the terminal. So I'm going to give some kind of a commands. Okay. So mkdir. Okay. So test test folder and touch hello.txt. Okay, so these two are the commands which I've executed. Okay, now I've given ls and I'm giving ps-ef and all these commands I'm just trying to execute. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to check I'm going to check the history command to see what is the history is recorded. All right, so as you can see here, I've just recorded a lot of history of the commands. Okay, so now if you can see here, for example, I wanted to install some of the commands from the history. Okay, now I want to run the command, which has been the from the history, which is ls. Okay, now what I have to do is that, or the touch or anything, right? I wanted to give the ls command. So what I have to do is that you could type this exclamatory the symbol, and then you have to give the history number, which is 33. Okay, if you can give like this, what's happening is that it will be showing you the ls command. See here, it's going to be ls command is going to be showing. Now if you want to create another, want to execute this particular command, what I can do is you can give the same symbol, you can give exclamatory symbol, then you can give 34. Okay, so if you can give like this, so it's going to be automatically displaying the all the process information, which is the ps-ef. Okay, so similarly, if you want to give the 31 folder, 31 history, you want to execute that particular command, then you can give okay the exclamatory 31. So as you can see here, it's going to be create a new folder. Okay, but in history that folder has already been created. Okay, so this is what something you should be using to execute the just test folder and so execute the command from the history. All right, so hope you understand this particular video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll okay, so I mean we are going to record a lot of videos like this in the future, just to just to enlighten you on the Linux skills. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you again in the next video.